Hey guys, it's Bella and welcome back to the channel. If you can't see what this stuff is behind me, and if you can't read the title, well, and if you just didn't know, because yeah, this is a nice natural glowy, fresh, dewy summer makeup look we got, you know? As you know, summer is coming up. It's right there. It's like a month away. A lot of us want our makeup to look super great and natural but still be glowing and just perfect makeup for the summer. So I thought it would be really fun to do the summer makeup look, and also it would help me improve my makeup because as you can see, I'm not very good at it. I'm mediocre. So yeah, we have this nice makeup look right here, and I must say I am pretty proud of myself for the outcome. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget, comment down below on what video ideas you have. And also, if you wish to, please comment down below what your favorite makeup brand is, because I want to know. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and enjoy. Now let's get on with the video. So I already washed my face earlier. So the first step after washing my face, I used the Mario, I don't really know how to pronounce it, but the Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with the aloe and rose water. I love this spray. It makes my face feel so clean and so fresh, and so like. Next, after I finish that, I take my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This moisturizer is my favorite thing ever. I love Neutrogena. If you're watching this, sponsor me. So I just take a little bit, my fingers, put it on my forehead, my cheeks, got my nose, and then I just rub it all in. I love moisturizer. I love the result on my face. I love that. Like, I just love moisturizing so my skin doesn't stay dry, it stays nice. I was gonna say moist, but that's gonna creep some people out. I mean, it's a weird word. I don't really know how I feel about it. It's kind of just there for me. Now that my face is all clean, I do not use primer. Every primer I've ever bought always made my skin break out, and I'm just like, nah, all I need is the facial spray and my moisturizer, and I'm good to go. I take a damp beauty blender, and you have probably already seen this on my everyday makeup routine, and I mix my two foundations from Fenty. The lighter one is 270 and the other is 370, since none of the shades in store actually are my natural shades, so I have to mix these two together. So yeah, now again, do not rub foundation with your beauty blender. You want to like not dab, I don't even know. Just want to take this down to the neck. It's very important to blend your neck so your foundation looks very natural, and yeah. And then also don't forget to blend into your hairline. So next, I usually do concealer, but kind of had a malfunction. Concealer is not entirely in the correct shade, so actually I'm just gonna be going in with my Fit Me powder to set everything in so far, and take just the right normal powder brush. As you can see, I've hit pan on this, and I need new powder so bad. Sometimes I just wear powder and it looks like I have a full face on sometimes, which I really love. We're gonna be doing the eyebrows. Pretty self-explanatory. I mean, I just brush my eyebrows in upward strokes. Then I take my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Chocolate.
Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch flavor.
Your hands like on the edge of the eyebrow brush, because it helps give you lighter strokes. Yes, Bella. Okay, hit them with the facts. Now that we have them filled in, as you can see, they do not look natural at all, but we're going to take the brush slash blending portion of the Brow Wiz, and we're just going to brush it together and blend in our real eyebrow hair with our filled in eyebrow. One thing I forgot to include was eyebrow gel. I love eyebrow gel. It just makes my eyebrows stay all day and it helps like make it look even more natural with the filled in portion. So yeah, you just do the same thing as I did with the eyebrow brush. Just brush it with in upward strokes. For the end, as you can see, you don't want to leave it like that, so I go like that. Kind of brush the hairs at the bottom of my eyebrows down a bit. Okay, now on to the part where I usually mess up, and that is the eyes. I don't wear eyeshadow a lot, but I've been starting to wear it more frequently now when I do actually wear makeup. I bought the Jaclyn Hill palette and I am obsessed with it. I think like the colors, oh my gosh. And I like tried it out last week and it is so pigmented. I love it. I am going to be putting this color right here. I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. Please don't judge me of how I'm doing my eyeshadow. I really don't know. I'm not good with doing eyeshadow. I kind of just do whatever. So now I'm going to be using my crease brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to be using this first color right here, which is called, why can't I do this? Little Lady. So then I kind of just pack my eyeshadow in. I've seen James Charles do this, so yeah, guess that means we all got to do it. Zoom in closer so you can see my eyes. Okay, and I'm kind of just blending it out. We're going to be taking the color right next to it, this one right here. Now that we have our eyeshadow completed, but now I'm going to be taking my eyelash curler and curling my eyelashes because I really like curling them because it makes my eyelashes look a lot longer and a lot more like a lot prettier. So yeah. And now for mascara, I'm going to be using a combination of the Maybelline Lash Sensational and the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara.
Do you see my face? I'm pretty.
You know what? I love myself. Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
The last and final step for the makeup look is lips. This is from the Sephora collection, their new lip stories. And I have the shade Brunch Date. I love the shade. It is very natural. And it's also matte lipstick, which I really like. Okay, and that is the makeup look. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup look. I love it. You know, I'm about to go to Michael's wearing this with this face on. I'm gonna go to dinner with this face on. I'm just gonna rock it and look really great. So yeah, again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye! Do, do, do.